Okay, Ralph, you issued a challenge of making something out of what's in your scrap box, so that's what I have to work with, so we'll see. It's going to be an ugly blank, I can guarantee you that. I'm not going to trim any of these up, I'm going to glue them on just like they are, because that's what's in my scrap box. This should be interesting. Okay, so this is what I've come up with. It's not real pretty, but it's orange resin and oak burl that I used for another project, and a piece of oak and that Ipe, another piece of oak that's walnut on the bottom that I was going to use somehow, but most of my pieces in my scrap box are a bunch of little bitty pieces that I couldn't get to glue up together without cutting them, and they're too small to cut, especially on my miter saw. I don't have anything else to cut with. So this is what I come up with. We'll see how it works out. It'll be a small bowl, I guess, maybe. See what it wants to be. Okay, well, I ended up cutting this piece off that was sticking out. I was going to try to incorporate that in the bottom of it, but to be honest, there's not much room to play in here. And I got scared. That thing was whipping around and I didn't want it to hit my knuckles or my tool, so I chickened out and cut it off. So if you see it missing, that's why. I've obviously got some cracks and voids to fill, but I don't have any super glue. I'm waiting on it to get here. I ordered some. Could have gone to Lowe's, I guess, but social distancing. So I have another project on hold because I'm waiting for super glue, so I guess this one's on hold too. So that's a little deeper than I planned, but just kept going for some reason. But it'll work out. So my super glue finally came in, and I decided I was going to fill the cracks with this orange, which is the same orange that I used for that top piece. So I forgot to film the part of me putting the powder in there, the orange mica powder. So now I'm gonna put the glue in and let that dry for a while. Well, not glue. Alright, all that glue's dried, so let's turn it a little bit and see how it turns out. That orange is quite a bit brighter than that orange. It's okay. But it actually looks pretty good with just sanding sealer. That's about 5 or 6 coats. I'm gonna hit it with some Axe to see what it does. And I may just put a bunch of sanding sealer on there, see how that looks. We'll try this out and see. Axe has never let me down yet. See that shine? That's pretty. Alright, now let's get it turned around. Hollow it out. Need to clean up my mess over here. Alright, hopefully it'll hold for drilling and hollowing. One way to find out. Alright, I'm going to try this again. It got to where it was splitting back here. So I put some zip ties around it. Hopefully hold it together and keep it from splitting. I also epoxied it. So hopefully it'll be strong enough, at least where I can get this drilled out. So here we go. Alright, so got to where it wouldn't hold tight enough to drill it. It actually broke on the bottom, so I had to glue that back and redo this. I had to turn it back around and reshape it, but I spared you that, so I'm going to very gently and slowly hollow it out with this because the drill bit's obviously not working. So here goes. you doing? You gonna help me out? You gonna help me out? You gonna help me? You gonna help me finish this? Yeah, that's what I thought. I like it. Said I like it.
Like what?
This little bowl.
Me too. Looks cool. Looks weird, but
Looks weird.
because of the orange.
Because of what orange? Huh?
That little bit of pure orange.
I know it's supposed
Well,
to.
not pure, but
It's supposed to match that more.
oh.
But it didn't. So what do you think?
Looks good.
Alright, here you go. This is my scrap box project. Not too bad. I started to just piece together a whole bunch of little bitty pieces, just randomly, but it was going to be really ugly, and I didn't want to do that. I started to do it just to be funny, but I wanted to be halfway nice. And as you saw, my scrap box is a whole bunch of little bitty pieces, because if I have anything big enough to be a project itself, that looks pretty scrappy and junky. But the bigger pieces, they go back on the shelf to be used again, and my scrap box is tiny pieces like this. But I like it. After all the difficulties of it breaking apart and having to glue it back together a couple times and redo it, seems to be my normal way of doing things lately. But this one stayed together. So anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it or not. Thanks for watching. And for all you subscribers, I've had a lot in the last few days, just a lot of new ones, and thank you very much. It's appreciated. And still amazed that people want to watch what I do. So, having said that, you guys have a great Easter. Happy Easter. Today is Easter that I'm finishing this. You'll probably see this on Monday, but anyway, have a blessed day, blessed week, and I hope you guys are staying healthy. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one.